Hey guys, welcome back to Solving Factory. In this video, let me show you how you can download Purble Plays and Windows 10 or 11. I know you guys missed this game and you want to play it just like the old days. Don't worry because I'm here to show you how. Let's start by opening the browser in your PC and copy paste this link. Next, scroll down and click here the button. If the download is blocked, click on Keep. Once it's downloaded, open the file and press Install, and there you have it. You think this is a virus, but don't worry because it's not. Just look at this virus scan. Now you can enjoy playing one of your childhood games. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.